Hey, so unboxing my brand new Bosch injectors and tubes from Industrial Injection. Yeah, overnight from FedEx. Good job to these guys, the shop, for getting it out ASAP. I ordered it. Hour or two later, it was shipped. Next day delivery, and FedEx next day delivered, which was amazing. Ordered it yesterday, it came in today. I need this. Need it done before Christmas. Christmas Eve is tomorrow. Oh yeah, check it out. I went with the brand new instead of reman, because I figure, you know what? Nice. Bosch certified online partner. Yep, I went with brand new instead of remanufactured. Sick. Nice little book. What's in the book? Must review prior to installing. My 6 new tubes. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nice. They even got the name of the tech or the guy who packed it to ensure everything was packed properly. So what's in this? Oh, hey, look. Stuff. Nice stuff. Yep. My packing receipt. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Alright, well, time to core return. Yes, because I gotta return my cores. Let's open one up. Wow, look at these. Nice. Brand spanking new. They have a nice new lithium ion grease smell. New injector smell. Nice. Oh, nice. Alright guys, why I chose these people? Because one of the very few places that had affordable prices that also had the injectors in stock. Also had it in stock. A lot of places didn't have them in stock. Checked a lot of places. And they're Bosch and they're brand new. So go check them out.